One Biafra liberation army don't come outside come talk say they neutralize some Nigeria army yesterday. Say as they talk right now, even the ones wey come their camp just dey use their fighter jet dey play for up. No be small thing o. He say the fighter jet just dey play for up, e no wan come down. Even the ones wey dey wait, dey cook better food, dey keep, they no gree come chop the food though. Now we come dey ask, na which kind food be that? That one no bolo? I been egusi. Finally, they say they no gree come. Now so they come run. They come they harass, they attack the villagers. How my people mo go find out how this thing take happen? No, yeah, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Abeni Ukwezioko. We go quickly jump into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. They say one Biafra liberation army don come outside come explain how they take prepare one better soup. They wait for Nigeria army make they come eat. End of the day, they no gree come. No be small thing o. And now come dey ask, now which kind food come be that one wey these men no gree go eat am o? I will go play the video, may you watch, may you hear everything with your own ear. No be say, no be we talk more. Okay, my people, move watch the video together.
Biafra have come, they just fly their fighter jet and pass our domot. And then the ice we have in several places put us alert that they are approaching. Believe you me, we were fully preparing something for them, because if a visitor come to your house, you must give them something to chop. We did not see them. That is by the way. If they don't die today, they will die tomorrow. That is our belief. For the fact that they did not come today to die, simply means that they will come tomorrow to die. One thing is for sure, that they must definitely come to die. If they do not die in Eke, they will die in Ore. If they refuse to die in Ore, they will die in Nkwo. Ma in Eke and Afo, they will die in Nkwo. So for the fact that they did not die today, it doesn't mean that they will not die. Anytime, any day, then comes, they must die. That is for sure. That is 100% sure. 100% sure. This one no be the one where we go do finding. Anytime where they take come Biafra land, they must collect. They understand me so? I want to tell you something very important. I know that this very light of Biafra must shine to the whole world. Nobody can subdue it. Nobody can quench it. Nobody can stop it. Because God have determined that Biafra must come. Biafra must come. Gather all the prophets of doom together. Gather all the juju you can gather. Gather any forces on earth to stop this restoration of Biafra. Chukwukika Abiyama will swallow all of you, and Biafra will still be restored. You remember the story of Moses concerning the children of Israel I told you? History is repeating itself. We are the children of light. Darkness can never comprehend us. Hope I've gathered people. Hope I've gathered people to come and engage us in the battlefield on Saturday, so that we will not come out to erupt the election. Hope for your mind, you dey think say you fit stop us. We have gathered the intel that you are preparing for us on Saturday to come and engage us so that you can do your fraudulent election in Imo State, known as Okigwe State, Olu State, and Owerri State. But you don't know our eyes and our ear are in everywhere. Hope, bring it on. Iratago, we are waiting for you then. We say that there will be no election in Imo State. We mean it. We are also informed that you have gathered your men, your killer, your terrorist group, to kill innocent Biafran. I will not say they will be innocent, because those who disobey this instruction of sitting at home are not innocent. They are saboteurs. That you have set up your machinery, your killing machinery, you have placed them in, you have put them in position where they will kill innocent people in order for you to tax the killers or the killing to be the works of ESM. But you already failed in arrival, because we love our citizens, we love Biafrans too much, and we cannot kill the innocent soul. You know this. If we were to kill the innocent soul as you are good at, we could have always engaged you when you use the innocent Biafran to seal yourself. We could have killed them. We could have come there and in battle with you. Anything that happened, let it happen. You know that quite well. That we love every soul of Biafrans. But at this point, we are saying that anybody that will leave his house or her house to come and vote, his blood will be upon her or him if he eventually got killed by you. Our hands is not there. So therefore, I'm here to update the people of the world that they did not engage us again today. It's true that their fighter jet just flew on our airspace, and then from Imo State to Anambra, and then in the morning and very high in the high position, and this evening again they flew back to Imo State. And our intel told us that they want to engage us on that very election day, so that we will not be able to come out to erupt the election. But that is not our problem. I saw a young man, a young police officer that says he was working with Hope Uzodinma in Tiger Base, in government house, Tiger Base, that have been killing innocent Biafrans. Tiger Base is equal to, there is this place, Akusu, in Anambra. Tiger Base is equal to it, where then carry innocent Biafra, harvest their kidney and sell for the state government. So any officer that are working in the Tiger Base are evil, because what the Tiger Base does is to kidnap the innocent Biafra and harvest their kidneys and sold it out, and the money automatically going to the government house boss. And they say one soldier that died was one police officer that died, one of the inspector, was one of them that were working there, that police officer was working in the tiger base. And the evil people from the community still come up to talk nonsense. Let me also tell you this, that yesterday or day before yesterday, no, yesterday, they came here day before yesterday and throw bomb. Then came here yesterday and throw bomb. When they finished throwing their bomb, there was one spice they sent to come and see the impact of the bomb they have thrown. And the spice came. It is a police officer. And when he came, the spirit of Biafra handed over him to us. And waiting in see. I believe by now his ancestors will be asking him, are you sure you are a true soul of Biafra? Yesterday or today also, we catch big fish. Those that are sent by Asali Dokubo prepare to come and wage us war, and he was sent to come and spice us. They did not know how the spirit of Biafra normally draw them to us. That is what they did not know. Remember, I used to tell you, and I always tell you, and I will keep telling you that he that come with bullet and gun to kill the children of the soils will end up dying with bullet and gun. It doesn't matter how you take come. If you enter the land of Biafra with the evil mind, you must die. Nothing will save you. Nothing will save you. Nobody will save you.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know. They say Kasala don't boss, and they say Yawa don't cast. Don't see am now. I said this is not waiting to go on. All the scene they happen for Imo State as they hot. I don't hear waiting this Biafra Liberation Army talk for this video. What you want you to do now to share the video as many as you can so that other people will know wetin dey happen. We dey here today bring you ogbonge news, your own work na to share them and make sure say other people see they get information of wetin dey happen. Here we dey talk about anything, anywhere where it dey happen. Now there we dey bring and they come. Yeah, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update. I want you to leave your own opinion for comment section. Let us know what you think and wetin go happen and the things we dey hear here as well. So we'll quickly catch you up for comment section. Let's talk about it over there. You know, as we do them now. Okay, my people, share and follow this page. Very, very important. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell so that you get our updates back to back as they happen. Okay now.